Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best solar license plate light on the market, the LivTee license plate LED light. Whether you own a trailer, UTV, ATV, truck, RV, or boat, this light is designed to offer extremely bright and reliable illumination for your license plate, ensuring visibility and safety on the road. Right out of the box, the LivTee LED light stands out with its xenon white color, which clocks in at a cool 600K. This means it provides a bright, crisp white light that's both modern and highly effective at lighting up your number plate. The light features 12 SMD high-brightness LED chips, delivering maximum illumination that is over 300% brighter than traditional halogen bulbs. This intensity not only improves visibility but also adds a clean aesthetic touch to your vehicle. One of the best things about this light is its universal fit. It operates on a standard 12-volt system, making it compatible with virtually any 12-volt vehicle, from cars and trucks to boats and trailers. Installation is simple and hassle-free. It fits perfectly into the standard license plate hold distance and requires just a basic 2-wire hookup. This makes it accessible even for those who aren't professional installers. Durability is another strong point. The light is waterproof and built with a polycarbonate lens, meaning it can handle extreme weather conditions without compromising performance. Whether you're driving through rain, snow, or dust, this license plate light is designed to keep shining bright. Plus, it comes with a built-in stable current IC driver that protects the LED chips, ensuring a longer lifespan and consistent brightness over time. In terms of size and weight, it's compact and lightweight, making it easy to mount without adding bulk to your vehicle. The dimensions are designed thoughtfully to ensure a neat and clean fit that doesn't interfere with other components or the aesthetics of your ride. LivTee backs this product with a 1-year warranty covering manufacturer defects, which provides peace of mind for your investment. While the design and functionality focus on performance and durability, the price point remains affordable, making it a great value for anyone looking to upgrade their license plate lighting. Overall, the LivTee license plate LED light offers a perfect balance of brightness, durability, ease of installation, and compatibility. If you want your license plate to be clearly visible day and night with minimal fuss, this is the product to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed product insights. See you next time.